Hello investors, my name is Dehan and welcome back to another one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to be buying in the month of September. So right now, the market in the past 24 hours is pretty much flat, but it's obviously because we've had a huge run in the past few days. So our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Civic right here, which is up about 97%. It was up over 100% before taking a slight pullback. So momentum play right there. Highest volume like usual. Bitcoin volume is staying very high as usual as it has been for the past few days. Same with Ethereum. Bitcoin trading around this 50,000 area still, down about 0.5% or so. Ethereum is down about 1.7%, trading around this 3855 area, close to that 4,000 area that we bounced off of on Friday night, going into the weekend, obviously. Now, as we take a look here at Cardano, it is down about 2.5% or so. Binance Coin is flat. Everything else is down about 1 or 2% or up 1 or 2%, depending. And then obviously we have some outliers here like ICP, Matic, Filecoin, and different other ones that are kind of exploding right now on the upside. So before we get into the countdown, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. You guys destroyed that like button on the previous video, so can we do it again? Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. We're aiming for 50,000 subscribers. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links are going to be in the description for that as well. And leave a comment below. What do you think is going to happen in the crypto market in the month of September? Now let's get into it. First altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be a momentum play, which is obviously going to be Civic CVC. So this one has been booming here for the past few days, as we see, and it hit highs here of about 96 cents, and now it pulled back down going into Sunday morning, obviously. If we take a look, it's up 63% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up 106%. It's obviously been on fire from about 34 cents, continues to go higher and higher. In the past month, 162% on the 1 year chart, 2,374%, obviously, destroying the previous all-time high. We're actually trading at the exact all-time high that we were trading at here in April at 72 cents, but obviously it kept on going even further. Now, the thing about this coin is obviously it's a momentum play, so it's not a long-term hold. It is a momentum play, and as you guys can see right here, volume and look at the market cap. Market cap, it is a very, very low market cap coin. And what does that mean? That means that this coin does not take a lot of, it doesn't take much to move this coin on the upside or the downside, obviously. Market cap is right around 500 million, so it's like $500 million market cap, very low market cap. So if a lot of money starts to get poured into this one, if it gains traction, it can skyrocket on higher very, very quickly, especially in the crypto world. I feel like all these altcoins tend to boom very fast, so that's something right here with Civic that it has compared to some of these other coins that are already 3 billion, 5 billion, 10 billion market cap. This one's only at about $500 million market cap. Volume the past 24 hours has been booming, 3.5 billion. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with Civic, this is going to be an Ethereum token used to power Civic's identity verification protocol. Users who verify their information through Civic can scan and then securely share both their information and then verification with service providers, reducing the need to consistently re-verify their identity. In return for this convenience, services providers may provide users and verifiers with CVC. So CVC obviously is the cryptocurrency that is being used right there, which is obviously great for your security, I guess you could say. And with the market cap being so low, this one has so much potential to do a 10x, 20x type situation right here on Civic. So it's a very, very hot one right now, a momentum play that we're definitely going to be keeping our eyes peeled on for the next few days to see how it's going to perform and if it will break through that $1 area or not. So that's going to be the resistance area that we're going to be looking forward to, $1 per coin or higher. So Civic, our first altcoin. Second altcoin on our list is going to be Cardano ADA. So guys, most of you should be familiar with this altcoin, obviously. One of the altcoins that's been exploding the past month or so. Has been doing very, very well, hitting all-time highs. In the past week, it's actually doing very well, but on the past 24-hour chart, it is down 2.5%. Past week, pretty much flat actually. And then obviously on the 1 month chart, it is up 107% from lows of $1.37 to hitting highs here of over $3.10 at the beginning of September. Now in the 1 year chart, this coin is up over 3,000%, guys. Last September, we were trading at 9 cents. So imagine, trading at 9 cents last September, now trading at almost $3 or so. Obviously here, the previous high in May was at 230, pulled back down with the market crash at around $1 or so. And then from that $1, we've just been skyrocketing to the moon, guys, from $1 all the way to $3. That is a 200% return in a matter of about a month and a half or so. So, 200% return, which means if you invested $1,000 into Cardano, last year, that $1,000 will be worth around $3,000 right now, and you would have made $2,000 profit on this coin. Now, market cap on Cardano, 91.5 billion. It is one of those large cap altcoins. You know, it is in the larger side, but it is one of those more popular coins that I believe in the future will definitely be in the top three coins. You know, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Cardano could be the top three dogs. 91.5 billion, like we said. It was close to 100 billion not too long ago. Volume the past 24 hours at 4.7 billion. Now, Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof of stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability. So obviously, you know, Cardano, very good coin in my opinion, and a coin that, you know, could be a long-term hold, 5, 10, 15, 20 years potentially, and I believe that it can only grow higher. But that's obviously just my opinion and something that I'm predicting myself. So Cardano is our second altcoin. And then last but not least, the number 3 altcoin is going to be Binance. So BNB, obviously another one of those large cap coins, but Cardano has actually passed Binance on that list of altcoins. So Binance is at an 82.8 billion market cap. Meanwhile, you know, like we said, Cardano at 91.5 billion. So at almost about a 8 or 9 billion market cap difference. Now, Binance Coin is pretty much flat, up almost 1% in the past 24 hours, trading at 492, hit highs of 510 at one point. In the past week, it's up 1% only. In the past month, 46%. And then obviously on the 1-year chart, 2,535%. We went from about $22 last September, hitting highs here on, you know, in the last bull run that we saw in May at 690, pulled back down all the way to lows of about 250 or so, and now we're seeing this uptrend. We've went up about, you know, almost about 100% from the low to the high here, which is very nice to see with Binance Coin. So there's even potential with these large cap coins to, you know, to make a huge run like that. Now, Binance Coin is a cryptocurrency used to pay fees on the Binance cryptocurrency exchange. Fees paid on the Binance Coin on the exchange receive a discount. So obviously you guys should definitely be familiar with Binance Coin. It's one of those popular coins that, you know, is here to stick around for the long term. So that's going to be our third altcoin. So how is the rest of the market performing and what is going on obviously in the rest of the crypto market? Well, let's take a quick look. Like we said, first of all, Bitcoin is trading at around this, you know, 50,000 area that we've been around now for the past 48 hours or so. It's down about 0.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, it's up 1.5% with those highs at 51,000 here on Friday. Now, in the past month, it's up 25%. In the past year, 389%, which is obviously very nice as it was trading at around $10,000 last September. Hit highs here in April at around 64, 65,000, pulled back down all the way to about 29,000, and we went from 29,000 to 49,000 in a matter of about a month or so. So that's a $20,000 gain on you know, Bitcoin. Obviously, there's other altcoins and other, you know, coins in general that are outperforming Bitcoin right now, but Bitcoin is one of those bigger coins that everybody believes won't go anywhere and will, you know, stay in the top for the long term. And it's I guess you could say kind of a safer investment, but crypto in my opinion is never a safe investment. You know, anything can happen. It's a high risk high reward type situation. Market cap on Bitcoin 943 billion right now, with the volume at 37.7 billion. So still doing very well. Volume is growing definitely. Ethereum, on the other hand, down about 1.5% right now. If you take a look at this one, it's trading at 38.55, hitting highs here on Friday at around 4,000, and then obviously we've been consolidating. I'm expecting this one to continue an uptrend, hopefully into Sunday night. So we'll see what happens. Obviously, on the past month, it's up 41%. Past year, 1,050%. So this one was trading at around $350 last year, $335. Hit highs of 4,400 here in April and going into May. It was way overbought and it continued to boom. Pulled back down, hit lows down here about 1,700, and then we went from 1,700 to the level that we're at right now at around 38, 3,900. So it went up over about $2,000, $2,100, $2,200 in the past month and a half. Over 100% gains on Ethereum, which is one of the, you know, large cap coins. So even the large cap coins are booming, like we said, and now obviously Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin right now in the long term. So it's doing very well, over 1,000% return. Meanwhile, Bitcoin only had 389%, which is still great. Market cap on Ethereum 458.5 billion right now, with the volume being at around 20.6 billion, so doing very well. Then we have Doge, the other meme. So the meme right here, it is up about 1% in the past 24 hours, trading at 30 cents. If we take a look here at the 1 week chart on Dogecoin, it's up about 4.5%. In the past month, 48%, with highs here of 35 cents. In the past year, it's up over 10,000, 728%, obviously, as it was trading at fractions of a penny last year. with the highs at 77 cents here during the whole hype, and then obviously a pullback all the way to about 16 cents, and then we saw it go up over 100% in the past month. So even Doge, performed very well with hitting that 100% profit right there. But there's other altcoins that are doing very, very well and much better. So market cap on Doge, 39.4 billion. Still sticking around that level. It's performing however the market is doing. So whatever the market is doing, pretty much Doge is following that same pattern. It's very close to the Bitcoin's returns and even Ethereum. But other altcoins are obviously a better investment in my opinion, as I believe that Doge is still a meme and it won't be one of those top coins in the future in my opinion. And we got very lucky here that it hit 77 cents or so. I don't think we'll ever be hitting those levels again in the future, but you never know what can happen in the crypto market. Obviously anything can happen, and it could continue to boom, especially if we get a nice bull run. That could definitely happen, because you guys could see how these other altcoins perform 10, 20, 30% in a matter of 24 hours. So I wouldn't be surprised, and nothing is impossible in the crypto market. So guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Is Bitcoin going to continue this run past the 50,000 area? Is Ethereum going to pass that 4,000 area? Is Doge ever going to hit 77 cents again? Those are all the things we want to discuss in the comments below. Smash that like button for me if you enjoy this type of content. Let's aim for 200 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. If you want to sign up for Webull, there's going to be a link in the description. Get your 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. And as always, I hope you guys enjoy this and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. As I'm not a financial advisor, guys, so before investing into the crypto market or in the stock market, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. It's a high risk, high reward type situation, and don't invest into something that you don't understand. Speak to your financial advisor.